Hey guys, just wanted to do a video about the maintenance of owning a big boat or a big heavy boat like this. So I've had this a little over a year now, and something that I've noticed is these hubs don't last very long, or they're not made for all the wear and tear of the saltwater environment and driving up and down. I live 45 miles from the nearest dock or the port that I use to go offshore fishing, and I've already replaced 2 of these hubs in actually the same trip. So I've actually done one trip I broke 2 hubs, another trip I broke 1 of the hubs. So I've made it a habit to start checking these hubs. I lifted this, and I don't know if you can tell on the video, but there's some play on this. So I guess they sit, or they start setting after so many miles, and so I'm gonna take this hubcap off, or this grease bearing or grease buddy bearing off, snug up the bearing, repack it with grease, and hopefully that holds. On this one I lost the whole entire rim and tire, so I also had to replace the hub and buy a new rim and tire. The other hubs have held up so far. They're the ones that have been on this trailer since I picked it up, or since I bought the boat. I just keep on repacking them and making sure there's grease in the bearings. So far so good on those. So my guess is whenever I'm turning, there's a lot of flex on these hubs, so there's a lot of pressure, and what I've noticed is the back of the hub is what breaks. So back in here, the hub will break off or chip off, and then it'll just entirely come off. So I've broken this fender off already once. I just replaced that light, so to wire it already twice. Pretty time consuming and pricey owning these big boats.